Hi, my name is Dennis. My problem first started was back in 1989. I was working in a machine shop and all of a sudden I got a hot chip in my left eye. Oh my gosh, it hurt incredibly. I went through many doctors. Unfortunately, the first few doctors didn't do such a good job. I went onward and saw doctor after doctor after doctor. Finally, I got to this doctor's office. This doctor did surgery on me and he said I'm gonna have to keep coming back and do more surgery and more surgery until it was finally healed. Well, it took a long time and now it's 2023. He took a scab off my eye and it just was like, it was a miracle. It was like I could see again. Unfortunately, I still have to wear glasses now and then. But that's okay, so reading's not so bad. How did I discover Cornea Revolutions? Through a friend of a friend. How many doctors have I seen? Probably 10. What vision problems diagnosis did you have? Well, I couldn't see out of my left eye for a long time. It was so blurry. It was something like a bee, how they have octagon eyeballs. It was crazy. And I went through that forever. Finally, when I came back here again, I saw the doctor. He did a few things to my eye and finally took the scab off, and it was like a miracle. It's impacted my life for a long time. I couldn't get a driver's license for just a short period of time, but every time I went in, I was able to see just good enough. Now I'm up for a new one. Oh my gosh. I should pass this one with flying colors. Before surgery, it was terrible. After surgery, it's a lot better. I can read a lot easier with my glasses. Before, I had a hard time. Driving was kind of rough looking through one eye, but I made it. Now I can look through both eyes. I can see well now. I'm happy to be here, happy to go home, being able to see. I drive everywhere I go, and I'll keep driving as long as I can. It's nice to tell everybody what good things I can see in the future now.